Jamaica has received another shipment of humanitarian aid, coordinated and financed by the European Union to bolster national relief and recovery efforts following the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa on October 28. The consignment, which arrived at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston on Thursday, contains approximately 50 tons of water, sanitation, shelter, and health supplies for communities hardest hit by the storm. European Commissioner for Equality, Preparedness and Crisis Management, Hadja Labib, handed over the shipment.
The European Union has moved quickly to help to deliver clean water, food, medical care and shelter to those who need it most. Together with our humanitarian partners and through our UCPM, we are providing vital support on the ground. So many have lost loved ones, homes and livelihoods, but in the middle of this tragedy, we have also seen incredible strength and solidarity from the people of Jamaica.
Speaking at a press brief on Sunday, Minister of Efficiency, Innovation and Digital Transformation, Ambassador Audrey Marks, expressed gratitude for the bloc's quick response.
It's 7 countries so far of the EU delegation that they are here, they are on the ground, they are delivering support in the areas of greatest need, field hospitals, generators, logistical tracking systems, and every type of supply that is needed by the most hard-hit communities.
Speaking at the media briefing, Ms. Labib noted her condolences for Jamaica's loss and said she is impressed by the government's response.
Your effort to coordinate relief and protect affected communities are really commendable. This disaster did not destroy your courage or your determination to rebuild, and the European Union stands with you in this dark hour.